In this video, I'll be showing you how to align text as justified in Google Docs. Let's start with a quick example. This is my example paragraph that I will be changing into justified alignment for this video. First, highlight the text. Then, go to the Format menu, choose Align and Indent, and click on Justify. Your text will be justified instantly. The paragraph instantly stretches evenly across the page. You can also use a shortcut. Press Command plus Shift plus J on Mac or Control plus Shift plus J on Windows. There's another way to do this as well. On the top toolbar, click on the three-dot menu and click on the Align and Indent icon, then click on the Justify icon. As you can see, the text is now justified. This makes the paragraph evenly spaced across the page, giving it a clean and professional look. And that's it. That's how you can justify text alignment in Google Docs. I hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.